So Joey is quite happy right now, but little does he realize that it's time to brush his teeth. So he knows I'm opening the drawer, and he knows it's either a treat or his toothbrush. So watch what happens when I show him the toothbrush. Ready, Jojo? Let's brush your teeth. Not as happy. Poor little guy. But he's still good. Still lets me brush his teeth. Sit. Sit. Good boy. It's okay. It's okay. Sit. Come on, sit. Okay, that's a good boy. Gotta brush your teeth. Yeah. There we go. And that's how you brush his teeth. It's a finger brush, and it's with doggy toothpaste. And I ask people, how do you keep your little dog alive so long? And they said, we just care for his teeth. Good boy, Joey. Thank you, Jojo's. That's Joey getting his teeth brushed. Yeah. Aw. Good boy.